Hello everyone! Today we will be looking at one of the easiest ways to make money online. If you want to get money by viewing YouTube videos, it's really simple. To break it down, there are simply 3 steps you have to take. The first step is to take out your phone and open the YouTube app. Step 2 is to choose any YouTube video, press play, and view it. And step 3 is to get rewarded in the form of real money and real cash in your account. I want you to put down whatever you're doing right now and go through all of these payments, which are proof that this app is legit and works. These folks are earning hundreds of dollars for doing nothing more than watching YouTube videos like this one. I mean, how wonderful is it that you can now get paid in actual, real money? This is really straightforward and uncomplicated for newbies who've never earned money online before. The best part about this method is that it is completely free, and you are not required to spend any money to start it up. Before we begin, welcome to Official Money Pill, where I show you how to make money online step by step. Please subscribe to this channel and remember to click on that notification bell so that you will be notified every time I release a new video on how to make money online, and you can take action. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. If you have any questions or concerns, be sure to leave some comments below. Now, let's get back to the video. First and foremost, I would want you to go to this website, Followfast.com. Essentially, this service allows us to earn money online by just viewing YouTube videos. So, take a look at all of these recent withdrawal histories, and you'll see folks all across the globe are cashing out actual money. As you can see, this service is pretty open in how much money you're making and how much money you can cash out right now. I want you to have a look at all of these folks from various nations who are able to pay out their gains. Now that you are sure that this method is legit, I expect you to follow each step. So if you browse to the homepage of Followfast.com, you may start earning right now. Now, I want you to go ahead and click on the Join button, and you'll be sent to a website where you can join for free and create an account. So first and foremost, enter your login details like your email address and password, and confirm your password once more. Type in your location, and the website now recognizes your exact position in the world. Don't be concerned. They welcome folks from all around the globe. The next thing they will ask of you is the CAPTCHA. All you need to do is just type in the numbers you see on the CAPTCHA box, or if it asks you to choose the correct images, simply click on them to select them and press "I'm not a robot." And after you have filled in all of the information, simply click on the blue Join button. Now, if you log into your account, you will see that your account is set up and running. If you're using this website on your desktop, don't worry, you can do this on your phone as well. Now I want you to take a look at the top of the page, where you can see that your account has not yet been verified. To begin with, you must validate your email address in order to cash out your earned points. I want you to go to the top of the page and click on the link that says Verify Now. Then, you'll be sent to the page where you must confirm your email address. In this case, all you have to do is type in your email address and the digits to confirm, then click the Confirm Email button. So that's all you need to do right now to properly set up your account. Now, when you go to your dashboard's homepage, I want you to go ahead and click on this YouTube button, which you can see here. Now hit the play button, which will be a red button. This is where you can watch YouTube videos and earn money online. Okay, now I want you to pay attention as I'm going to go over some suggestions on how to efficiently earn money with this method. The first suggestion I have for you is that you must watch the YouTube videos for at least 35 seconds in order to get points. Once you've accumulated enough points, you may swap them out for actual cash. In this situation, just watching this video will give you 9 points. So, all you have to do is press the blue play button. Pressing the button will take you to the YouTube video, and when you return to the page, you will notice where they begin to count down for 35 seconds. Once they go off, you may earn points just by doing so. Another thing to keep in mind, you are not actually required to view the videos. You can really just stop the videos right now, and when you return to the website, you'll just have to wait 35 seconds. Simply doing so will win you 9 points. Let me give you another example. When you scroll down below, a lot more videos will appear, that you can watch for points. Now, go ahead and click on the play buttons for a couple more videos at the same time. Now go to these YouTube videos and just pause them. Remember, you're not required to watch it if you don't want to. You can simply return to the web page as well. And boom, the points will be instantly credited to your account. This is a pretty basic and straightforward procedure, right? You may now view as many YouTube videos as you would like. Now, I would like to provide you with another additional tip that will allow you to double or even quadruple your earnings by this method. So for example, if you view this video right now, you may get these mini points right now. You may accomplish this by opening a new tab on your phone or computer. You may gain more points by watching another video. Both videos may be seen at the same time. This eliminates the need to spend 35 seconds viewing a single video. Again, you may perform this as many times as you like, even 5, 7, or 10 films at the same time. This is pretty amazing, an effective method to view 5 to 10 to 20 videos at once. You can earn a lot of money by viewing a lot of YouTube videos. And once you've done this many times, you'll be able to earn even more points because you'll be considerably faster than the other people. The stack credit points will simply be added to your balance. Oh, and I'm going to offer you additional advice right now. When you're viewing YouTube videos, another great thing that you're gonna do is that you have to make sure that you can play the video quicker by adjusting the playback speed from regular to double by going to the YouTube options settings right here. It is all up to you. And another piece of advice I'll offer you is that when you go to the quality section in the YouTube section, you're going to pick automatic by default. If your internet connection is poor or you have a restricted data plan, you should choose 144p so you can watch at the lowest quality, which will save you a lot of time and data. You can view a lot more videos more effectively, resulting in the increase of your income through this method. So let's go to the next bonus tip. When you click on this daily bonus button, you'll be brought to this website where you may collect daily or hourly bonus points. All you have to do is check into your account every day and view at least 15 videos to earn at least 100 daily points. That's a lot of points. So if you want to cash out, just click on this payout button on their website. If you don't have these payment methods right now, don't worry, since you may now cash out on a variety of other payment methods. You can see that they accept people from all around the globe and a variety of different payment methods. So, essentially, after you gain points by viewing movies, you can turn those points into real money, and then all you need is $1.50 to pay out your money. That is the minimum payout amount, which means you may get and withdraw your money after earning $1.50. You will just have to wait 3 to 5 business days to collect your funds. Keep completing this every day for extra bonus points and don't give up. This is a simple way for you to make money, yet just a few people are aware of it. So put this method to work for you right now. So there you have it, folks. Did you like today's video? Let us know in the comments below. With this, we're going to wrap up this video. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more incredible videos. We hope to meet you guys again in the next video. Until then, take action, make that money, and take care.